Okay, monkey.
What is going on, Adventure Nation? Today, we're out exploring around Juneau. This is TME with Paul and Lorena. We are out on the north end of Juneau. Lori?
We're out in a boat.
Out and about?
It's
No, that would be if we were in
gorgeous.
Canada, we'd be out and about.
Yeah, we're in Alaska.
We're in Alaska.
But look, there's people paddleboarding here in this little bay. It's beautiful.
Look at that. I think those are the Chilkat Mountains in the background. Absolutely stunning. Very cool. We're going down the little path here next to the overlook and head down to the beach. There seems to be other people down here enjoying the beach.
These berries look delicious.
Go ahead, Lori. You eat those and let me know how it goes for you. Wow, this is really cool down here. Yeah, check that out. A little tire swing there. Just absolutely gorgeous down here. Come on, Lisa. Swing. There you go, Lisa. There you go.
Oh, there we go. There. That's the picture. Okay, monkey.
All right, that was pretty cool down there. So Sunshine Cove Beach. I liked it. You?
Oh, it's beautiful. I wish we had some chairs with us and
Yeah.
some drink, and some snacks.
Yeah,
just to sit a
this
little
was
bit.
kind of like an afterthought, all of this stuff. So
Yeah, we're just exploring. We were not planning on a picnic.
maybe we'll have a picnic later on at the Red Dog Saloon.
I think that's considered a picnic.
Later.
All right, now we've arrived at Eagle Beach State Recreation Area, and we're gonna check this out. Saturday afternoon, nobody's here. It's incredible.
I can see eagles.
Oh yeah, there I can see some eagles down there. Yeah, they're down there quite a ways. So there are terns here, lots of them, and they're usually grabbing the salmon eggs. Any salmons? Yep, there's some salmons. So just like in Salmon Creek, they come up into these areas that are calmer to be able to take a little bit of rest from trying to swim upstream, and then they'll make the run upstream a little later. Lots of them right down here. Pretty cool. Now this is glacial water, so pretty silty and not very clear, but you can still see them up here close. Little cabin here at the state park. It's kind of what you'd expect here in Alaska. The Saturday Creek Cabin, very appropriately named for Saturday. Yeah, this is one of those areas that really just everything's beautiful around. So especially on days like today where it's not pouring rain, it's just been sunny and amazing.
Well, it's a beautiful postcard here, and he's like, you got it on the few days that it's sunny here.
Yeah.
So.
Of the, like I said, 25 or 26 days in July that it rained out of the 31. Oh, lots of salmon down in here. We'll see that in just a second.
Ooh.
Yeah, you can see how the creek here, obviously not flowing much anymore because of the weather change and all the dead salmon in here.
Wow.
You should just be glad it's not smell-o-vision, folks.
Yeah.
It is a little bit rank. Yep, the smell is just wonderful. I think we should, bring out a picnic basket here and come out and light a fire, get out a PB&J, start chowing down on that. This is brutal. All right, we got a big old bald eagle right through here. Check that boy out. Right there. And then what sounds like a turkey off to our left, we're not sure. Or Bigfoot. It could be either or. That's awesome there. Okay, we're gonna come over here through the wilderness and we're gonna get a better picture of that eagle. Or it will fly away and I won't get a picture of it because it feels me coming over here. Oh, there we go. Check that out. That's awesome. Look at that bad boy right there. He is pretty cool. Okay, this is insane. This is a raven, and it's imitating other bird noises. There's a turkey.
There's the turkey.
That is insane. Let's hear him.
Here, I'll talk to him.
That is crazy. He is imitating like 4 different birds. Look, that's the same.
20 minutes later.
Perfect. All right, we have arrived at the shrine of St Terje. We have no idea what this is, but we're gonna wander in, see what we find. What do you think, Lori?
Yeah.
Looks cool so far.
We're on the foot trail right now, says there.
The foot trail to public toilets. Oh wow. Another beautiful spot, of course.
And the flowers with the muscles in the back.
Yeah, check this place out. Holy smokes. It is beautiful. Very cool. Just stunning out here. And this is the shrine of St Terje. This is just amazing. It's super serene out here. You're right out on the ocean looking across. I think this is favorite channel. It's part of the Lynn Canal, but this is favorite channel. And just look at that. Everywhere you look, snow-capped mountains. Unbelievable. Just super serene. Absolutely gorgeous out here. Check this out. We got like some kind of animal right here. Not sure what it is yet. He's pretty cool looking.
What is it?
Rock chuck?
Is it a rock chuck?
Well, it can't be a woodchuck because it's in the rocks.
Yeah. Marmot.
Oh, he just, every time I take his photo, he turns his back on me. You little brat.
To the other side.
I've never heard of a rock chuck before.
Hey, buddy. You just ignored me the whole way. I can't believe you're that way. There you go. Hi, buddy. Hey, dude. How are you? All right, here it says the salmon are running. Do not get in the water and pick up a fish. Mark, I don't think they're running. What do you think?
Never seen a salmon run.
No,
I see a lot of them swim.
they're swimming, I think, really. Yeah. Yeah, I think they've got that incorrect.
Yeah, they seem to have lost their feet.
I agree.
1 hour later.
All right, see, I bring Lori in. Now she brings the wildlife in. Got a harbor seal down there,
Of less salmon.
but less salmon. And of course, as soon as I start to shoot video, the seal disappears.
Yep.
Because that's what happens. As soon as I turned off the camera, he came back out. There we go. I think I got him that time. There you go. He is just gorging on salmon. He's having a good old afternoon meal there. Doing really good. Awesome. This is a really good view of the salmon ladder from up here. You can see we start in here. Awesome, awesome.
20 minutes later.
What are you thinking, Lori?
I'm already in line.
You're already in line for the old red dog? All right. I'm betting close to an hour.
Yeah, I would say an hour wait to get here, but you will do it for a ride in Disney, but not for this. Not the treadmill. The treadmill pleasure.
That is correct. All right, Lori, burst through the door. There we are, into, yeah, with attitude.
These cruise ships got you busy.
Alright, no sipping, no stirring, and no staring. Black, black, knock that shit back.
Okay, guys, quack, quack, knock that shit back. What do you think, Lori?
It's good.
It's very good.
Nice and long.
Are your lips tingling just a little bit? No.
All right, Mark, that's your second duck fart.
It was wonderful.
My tongue is on fire. Like my tongue.
All right, now I'm gonna knock mine back.
Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack.
Very manly.
She's got the air core down, the sourdoughs hang around, chit-choppers try to date her like a day. Well, that new gear is fine, and the fuselage divine.
Man, we have spent a full day touring around here, and the sun is going down. It's absolutely stunning out right now. Again, look at that. Like, every backdrop is just insane. That up there, that building is like one of the old mine buildings up in here. That's kind of cool. And I think now we're heading back to the car. Woo! Sun, bright sun. What do you think, Mark? Should I point out some of the historic buildings
I
in
would
town?
appreciate it, 'cause I hear
All right.
some historic
All
buildings
right,
down
all right. Let me do that. That one's historic. One over there. And I think one of the ones down there, they're historic. What do you think, Laurie?
I agree with you.
All right, I think this is going to be our last section of the day. We are now here at Cope Park, and we're going to check out the little river here. It does not sound like it's flowing like it once was. This is another beautiful, beautiful park, Lori.
Beautiful stuff. It has not been
Yeah.
raining. It's a good thing, but for this kind of stuff,
Right.
it's a bad thing
Do you-
because it doesn't flow.
I got to ask you though, do you recognize that rock? Where Mark's sitting? That's where I took the picture for you.
The sexy picture.
The sexy picture for Facebook. Check out the water here, how crystal clear it
Look
is.
at the rock too.
And the rock's amazing, right? Just an absolutely beautiful park. And yeah, you can go hike all up through there. This is Gold Creek. So this is where the gold rush all kicked off. But about a mile, mile and a half up the canyon. We're gonna go for a little jaunt down through here. Beautiful little creek. All right, we had an absolute incredible day with Mark and Lisa. They dropped us off, but I drove Lori up here just so she could get a quick look at that
I know.
before it got dark.
Yeah, I've seen it like driving back and forth from different places and from the very far, but we're here at the visitor center, so we're here.
Yeah, and the visitor center's closed, so we're just gonna take a quick peek and then we're gonna rock on out. But this is where we're gonna call this video. So it'd be great if you hung out with us a little bit, got to know us. That means they should
Subscribe.
hit that subscribe button. It'd be equally as cool if you liked the video. And we'll see you again in the next one.
I'm here to say my line.
Yeah, that's why I brought it up, because I wasn't good at it.
That's the only reason I'm here.
Check this out. And of course, at this time of night, all the visitors are gone and you have
Everything for your
everything for yourself to look at the glacier.